Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook feed to your Wix website. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have this feed right here. In order to add this, you can just head over and search for this. Searching here for Twitter feed, and we can also search in here for Facebook feed as well. So let's search in here for Facebook feed, and once you have searched for that, you should be able to see this Facebook feed right here. Now click on open right here, then this will open the Wix app market. And then you can see this slide here. Just click on add to site. But take note that is actually 7 days free trial. So you need to subscribe before you actually use this one. So as you can see, I have added this to my website, and then this will take some time in order for this to load. Now for this one, we can just move this around. So let me move this right here, and this one right here. Let me move this around here. Now we have these two things right here that we can use. So first is the Facebook feed, while the second is the social media feed. So let's click on the Facebook feed first and click on settings. And then from in there, it will load this, wherein you can actually connect your page to your Wix in order to put this here on your feed right here. So from in there, you can actually just connect, and then you can actually just put all of your feed right there. Another option is to use this social media feed. Click on settings, and then it will open. Don't mind the Twitter feed in here because you can actually integrate more apps right there. So it will open this one. You can see here the Facebook. So just click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, you can get a choose what post to display. Can be posted by a page and its visitors right here. So just enter in here the Facebook name or Facebook page name, and then the maximum post to display. So for in this, I will just search for who remembers. And then in here, it will ask what kind of page is this. Let's just click on this. Then let's go done. And then it can actually make sure to just try to load this for a while, since this will actually load for a while first before you actually see the whole thing right here. So just wait for this right here to load in order to see what it looks like. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.